Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you can remove or get rid of dark elbows, and you can also use this treatment for dark knees as well. So if you have dark elbows or dark knees, this remedy is for you, and you need just two things, which are things that you can easily find and get from the comfort of your home. I've been doing this treatment myself and I have seen a lot of improvement. My elbows were completely like dark and covered in dark spots. If you can see, it's a lot lightened at this region right now. Same for this as well. So using this ingredient is going to help you a great deal, and this is with me not even being as consistent as I should be. But if you are consistent, trust me, you're going to see a lot of changes. So please just join me. Let's go and get this ingredient, and let me show you how you can do this so that you can get rid of dark elbows or dark knees if that is what you want to get rid of. So guys, we're going to be using turmeric and honey. When used, turmeric helps to lighten your elbows and your knees. Dark elbows occur when your elbows accumulate darker skin than the rest of your arm. They are caused by an accumulation of dead skin cells, hyperpigmentation, increased by sun exposure, melasma, certain skin conditions from babies. It can be any reason, and this can affect any part of your skin. Your elbows are more vulnerable due to lack of attention and care, unlike other areas of your face. If you are dark, you are also at an increased risk for dark elbows, and there are many ways to lighten this. So like I said, we are going to be using turmeric and honey. Turmeric is an ingredient that comes from an Indian root, which is like ginger. Turmeric powder helps with a variety of skin conditions when it is used as a paste. Turmeric also helps to even out skin tone, and it helps to reduce the appearance of acne scars and dark marks. Studies even show that turmeric helps to reduce dark spots on the skin, which is hyperpigmentation. Honey also helps for skin brightening. Honey has exfoliating properties, which means that when it is used on any part of your skin, it will eliminate dead skin cells, which can help to make your skin look brighter. Any skin that looks dull will look brighter when you use honey on it. So we're going to be combining our turmeric and honey to make a paste which is going to be applied on your elbows or your knees. Okay guys, so you're going to be using some turmeric. I'm going to be using half spoon of turmeric. You need just a little bit of turmeric at a time. You can mix more if you want later. Just mix more according to what you want to do. And I'm going to be taking some honey. I'm using a teaspoon of honey in this case, and I'll mix this together. So when it's mixed well together like this, you take a bit of your turmeric and your honey paste and apply it all over your hands, your elbows, your knees. Let me just use my hands as an example. So I'm going to be mixing it all over my hands like so. Make sure you concentrate on all the areas where you want the spots to be removed. This can be your knees, it can be your elbows, it can be your knuckles as well. Massage it into those regions for like 2 minutes and leave this paste on for 25 minutes to 30 minutes. Do a patch test first to be sure that it agrees with your skin, but turmeric and honey are fairly safe, so it can be used for almost anybody, any kind of skin texture. So by the time you do this, leave it on your hands for at least 25 to 30 minutes. Like I said, you can do this on any part of your body, your elbows, your knees, your knuckles, anywhere that you feel is very dark and has discoloration or hyperpigmentation and you need to remove. You have to do this every day for at least 14 days before you start seeing changes. I can let you know that by the time you do this consistently, you see a lot of results. You see all those dark patches giving way, all that hyperpigmentation giving way, and you will have very clear and smooth skin. The honey also helps to rejuvenate your skin and helps you to remain moisturized and supple. But even after you've washed it off with some water, you can use cold water or lukewarm water. You can still apply your moisturizer. Like I said, apply moisturizer so that skin does not become ashy or dry. You need to apply a lot of moisturizer on the region so that it will not have dark marks again. So that's it, guys. Like I said, if you want to see results, you have to be consistent. Don't just do it once and get rid of it. I would advise you to do this like every day for the next 14 days, and you will see the difference yourself. You have to come back to the comment section to tell me how it worked for you. When you are consistent, you definitely see results. Doing this over and over again will help you to eliminate all the dead skin cells around that region. And like it says, the elbows are usually dark because of the lack of care. We tend to just like leave our elbows. Many times when you're even like applying lotion to your body, you apply lotion on all over your skin, your hands, but we tend to leave out our elbows, we tend to leave out our knees. So the next time you are applying lotion or anything on your body, take it at the back of your mind that you need to also take care of your elbows as well. Saturate that place very well in your lotion, your oils, make it moisturized enough. Darkness also comes as a result of it not being moisturized. The place is left feeling dry, ashy, and everything like that. So even after doing the turmeric and honey treatment, continually lather your elbows, your knees in a lot of oils. I would advise oils so that it is well moisturized. You can even mix some honey with your oil as well. You can mix some honey with some olive oil and continue to lather it on your elbows, and you will see that the dark elbows, the dark knees will be a thing of the past. So let me know how it works for you. If you enjoyed this video, please don't fail to give this video a thumbs up, kindly share, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in other ones. Bye.